Abed. Abed means lying in bed or being in bed, especially when someone is resting, sick, or sleeping. She stayed abed all morning. He was still abed when the guests arrived. After catching a cold, I remained abed for 2 days while my mom took care of me. The king was found abed, reading quietly before falling asleep. Resting, taking a break while lying down. Sleeping, being asleep. Lying down, staying flat on a bed or surface. Other similar words: in bed, relaxing, unwell. Awake, not sleeping. Out of bed, already up and moving. Active, doing things with energy. Other opposite words: standing, walking, busy.